back again. Like I never left, what's happening? Rerun, about to do another wig again. Uh-oh. Gotta make sure my lips are moisturizing. So I melted the lace off camera, and now I'm just cutting around the edges very carefully and lifting that tab up to make sure that everything is the way that it's supposed to be, nice and flat, no extra little pieces. Guys, let me know in the comments if you want a how-to of melting the cap. We're looking freshly bald, straight wax. Okay, give it to him. We're about to pull out my secret weapon, Deninedefined gold glue. Don't play with her. Gotta be careful with this glue. She's dangerous. Okay, so I just carefully place the glue down like so. And this tab that I was telling y'all that wasn't trying to go down, watch this. This gold glue gonna get it right. And think about it. Oh, you thought you was something because you beat the G.O.A.T to be? Meet the GOAT. And I'm gonna cut that little extra tab off, but I'm gonna just, yeah. Meet the GOAT. Anything about it. Let's hold this down real quick. Look at how quick she responds. Just look and see for yourself at how quick she responds. That little tab right there. A bow. Very much so. Okay. I'm gonna have to cut that little piece off. No, for real. Oh my God! Do y'all see that glue dripping down the side of my face while I'm not paying attention? What is that? You're supposed to do with it, okay? I can show you how to use it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so remember in the first video when I told you to take your time because you don't want it to run down your face? No! God, please, no! No! I wasn't playing. I gotta go get me some alcohol. Rest in peace, my skin. Right here, I'm just taking some 99% alcohol on a wipe and wiping that, trying to get all of that off of my skin. Lord have mercy, this is such a rookie mistake. I'm telling you, be careful with that glue. And we're gonna continue. The good Dr. Flagler out here making glue strong enough to snatch bitches' skin off. Cause this shit is not a game. So then I'm just taking the comb like this, like so, like this. And I'm using some force because you want to make sure that this glue is even Steven, okay? I'm just reiterating the glue line that I already had, making sure that I get that good bulletproof hold. I put 3 layers just because I like to keep my wigs on for a little longer. And I definitely do the active extreme wear on my wigs, you feel me? You already know what time it is. Can't have no wigs coming off on my watch. It's giving very much so baddie. You see it. Yes. Mwah. Pose for the camera. Okay, now I gotta wait. Give it to him. Ninja Turtle. So I just want to take this time and say to Deninedefined and all of the people at the G.O.A.T Glue, I really appreciate the product. I drove all the way from Ohio to Atlanta to purchase my glue because I seen all the comments about people saying that their wait time was outrageous, and I was not going to wait. Big Leo energy. I just want to say thank you because I've been doing wigs for a while now and I've used a lot of glue, and this is the best glue literally that I have ever used. So we appreciate you over here keeping our wigs nice and snatched, Dr. Flagler. Oh, and big thank you for reposting me too, because I definitely seen that you reposted me. You so real for that. Anyway, oh, also, yes, the band that you gave me that goes with the wigs. Oh my God, it's literally perfect. I love it so much. Thank you. Take the comb and lightly press and comb the hair upwards so that way I got that nice natural snatched hairline. We're gonna go in with our. This is the band I was talking about. She gets me snatched every treat. Deninedefined. Cut the excess off, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna cut her down. Here I am using 99% alcohol to wipe my frontal and my skin just to make sure everything is clean, no leftover excess glue, none of that. As you see here, I'm cutting my ear tabs to make sure that we have a secure and customized fit. The can that you see me using here is the red can EBIN glue. We love her. A perfect duplicate for Got to Be glue if you don't like to use that brand. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe so that way that you guys can see when I post my next video. Hit that notification bell so that you guys can get the notification as soon as I post. I appreciate all of you for watching this far if you've made it this far. This is our year, guys, period. Live it up. I hope y'all like the look. And you see the baby hairs. I killed that very much so. Sponsor me, Gold Glue, period.